Or President Trump's tweets about Baltimore City and Congressman Elijah Cummings have not stopped. There was another one more last night, which came after more than 2 days of reaction to the tweet storm that started on Saturday morning. In this tweet from last night, the president writes that Baltimore has the worst crime and economic numbers across the country, and he's calling on Congressman Elijah Cummings, the head of the House Oversight Committee, to investigate himself. We have WMAR2 News' Mark Roper live at City Hall in downtown Baltimore, where city leaders are still trying to process all this. Mark, the president's tweets have certainly stirred up a lot of emotion from people who live in the city of Baltimore.
Yeah, Christian, I talked with several people yesterday who clearly were not happy with the president's tweets, but some call the comments bigoted, while others say that it just raises attention to some of the issues facing the city that need to be fixed. Now, President Trump's tweets have put a spotlight on the most negative parts of West Baltimore, but the Twitter storm also has had a positive side effect on people in the city, a renewed sense of pride. Since the Twitter war began over the weekend, many have been outspoken about the good things people are doing to make their community a better place.
We have our Martha's Place offering recovery, and we have our Strength to Love 2 program that offers employment for folks coming back from incarceration, working at our acre-and-a-half farm on Monroe and Fulton Avenue.
West Baltimore, yeah, it's an area that needs a lot of improvement, but like everywhere in the U.S. needs improvement. And so far, people all around the community are making an effort to, bring West Baltimore up and fix our image of ourselves.
Now, many people responded to the president's tweets criticizing parts of the city as rat-infested by challenging him to do something like what these people are doing by helping their community. Many people said they're asking the president to not just talk about the problems, but to actually do something to help. We're live in downtown Baltimore. Mark Roper, WMAR2 News.